Top investing advice to succeed in the stock market. Be patient and familiarize yourself with every company and track the trends. These are all great ways on how to make money when it comes to the stock market. Keep watching this video to find out how to get the most from the market through investing. You will be able to start earning money right away. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. One way to reduce your risk with investing money in the stock market is to practice diversification. You can do this by investing in a wide range of companies from tech stocks to blue chips. Also invest some of your money into bonds. The easiest way to practice diversification is to purchase mutual funds. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. Although any person can buy and sell stocks, it takes a certain type of person to do the work and research, and patience to make wise investing decisions. Focus on your education and how the market works, and make a calculated decision before buying. Keep the above tips in mind as you plan your stock investment strategy and future profits. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.